Hi, this is Chris Davis, the Educational Technology Center, and this video is going to address an error that's occurring when you create a test and use a a display until date. So this is how the error occurs. You've created a test and you set a display until date so that the link will disappear after a certain date and time so your students can't take it anymore. But say you want to go back in and edit the test or open it back up for another student to take. So you go in and you edit the test options to do this. However, unfortunately, you receive this error. This is why this error is occurring, and I'll show you why this error is occurring, and I'll also show you a way to avoid this error. If you do get this error, however, we will need to put a ticket in with the Blackboard help desk to have this issue fixed. So let me show you how to avoid having this error happen. Whenever you create a test, so I'm just going to go ahead and create a test really quick. I'll click the create button and we'll create test 2. And we'll create a question and we'll just make a nice little easy question here. And we'll submit it. And now that we've created a test, I'll click OK and select my test and submit. And I'll set my options. Here's where the error is occurring. You can, no problem, set a display until date. In fact, I'll go ahead and set one for a couple of days from now. Okay, so the date is set. Here's where the problem occurs. If you're going to set a display until date, make sure that you set a display after date as well. And you can even leave it set to the current date and time. There's a bug in Blackboard 9.0 that's being addressed in the next service pack that will fix this. But for right now, if you're going to use the display until date, make sure that you also set a display after date. Again, this will be fixed in Blackboard 9 in the next service pack, but for now, make sure that you set this display after date as well. Go ahead and click Submit. And now, when you go to edit the test options, since both of them are set, you can go ahead and get in. And so this addresses this issue that some people are having with the tests. Again, if you're still having problems with this, we'll need to create a help desk ticket with the Blackboard help desk.